This year, since my shoulder injury and my collarbone injury, I'm in the FD RX7 for this year's Turkey run. Very cool. The lineup today for this year's Turkey run, you have a C6 Corvette. I think he has, headers and a couple other modifications. Very cool, very cleanly modified. Supra with a couple of aero bits. Z, relatively stock, I think just wheels and exhaust. MT40i, she's not even going too crazy. She literally just got this like a week or two ago. Very clean. A G80 Mustang S650. He's on his 8th or 9th set of wheels. This guy just goes through this wheels hella. And another crazy color shift Z. That's the line for this year. I honestly would have rented a car or rented something. Thank you.
They don't have the big ones, so.
They don't have Monster? What?
They did.
Well, this is the lineup. Very cool. I would have rented a car, but obviously I can't drive right now because I'm half broken. We have made it. Oh my god.
What wheels are those?
KRZ.
Okay.
traffic today. And it gets. I was gonna get a seated fucking entrance. Fuck ass. Alright, y'all, with that concludes our little mountain expedition turkey run 2026. Pretty fun this year. Obviously a lot of traffic, but it's cool. Hopefully next year I'll have a car here that I can, you know, join on these little runs. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be safe, be kind to each other, be kind to yourselves, and be kind to the world. Yeah. Just be good people. Be good people who drive cool sports cars. And drive those cool sports cars super fast. Alright. Yeah, thumb me out. Alright. Peace, guys.